Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome browser on your PC. Now, as you can see, this is a fresh Windows installation I have just done, and it's only the official browser for Microsoft that is on it. And I would want to use Google Chrome browser. Before we start, if you want a video on how to do a fresh installation of Windows 11 onto your PC, leave it in the comment section. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's go ahead, download and install our Google Chrome browser. We are going to use our Microsoft Edge browser in order to have access to download our Google Chrome browser. Open your Microsoft Edge browser. Now just as we are in here, what you can do is that you can go to google.com, or you can just search direct. You can just search direct Chrome download for PC. Right, so once you do this search query, scroll down and you can see we have the official website, which is google.com. So click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official Google Chrome website. Now, just as we are here, so you can see we have download Chrome. So let's close this. So just click on the download Chrome. Click on it. So it's just, you can see that it has given instructions of how to install it, but just as you can see, it's downloading. So let's just wait in a jiffy for it to finish downloading before we start with the installation. So as you can see, our Google Chrome file has been downloaded, finished. So click on this folder icon so that it will take us to where our file is. So click on it. So just as you can see, we have our Google Chrome here. So double click on it to start with the installation. So you can minimize this, double click on the file to start with the installation. So click on yes. It's initializing. Let's just wait for it to initialize with all this. As you can see, it is downloading our files and it has given an estimated time. So depending on your internet, it could be faster as compared to mine. So let's just wait within the 1 or 2 minutes, which it has estimated. So as you can see, the installation is being done and automatically it has created the shortcut for us to access the internet. So once it is being installed, it is being downloaded and installed. Now what you just have to do is also close this page and then open the Google Chrome on our desktop, which is the shortcuts. Our Google Chrome has opened, so it's now time left with us for us to set it up. You can decide to sign in with your Gmail account or decide to stay signed out. I'll stay signed out for now, so click on stay signed out and you can decide to set it as your default browser or not. I am going to be using Google Chrome as my browser, but I'll skip that for now because later I can set it as a default browser, so skip that for now. So our Google Chrome browser is being downloaded and installed onto our PC. So whatever that we want on the internet, we can use our Google Chrome to do the search and find out the result. So that is just how easy and simple it is to download and install Google Chrome browser onto your fresh Windows 11 PC. Or either likewise, if you are using Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, it's the same process you can use to download and install this Google Chrome browser. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.